Hey guys, so today I want to check out the Nokia Lumia 520 with the latest Windows Phone 8.1 update. So I actually got comments about this that it's available, so I thought I want to check it out. And it seems to be a pretty epic update actually for this phone. So to start off here, just to go in and confirm that it's running the good stuff, let's just go into settings here. And I mean, this is the low-end Nokia phone, so you can see here how the performance is and all that, and that can be pretty fun to check out. So let's go to About page down here, About Windows Phone. You can see it's running Windows Phone 8.1, and I gotta say, as I said, it's pretty awesome. First of all, it features a notification center, so you can swipe down like this, and whoa, look at that. You now finally have something a little bit more competitive with iOS and also maybe some lag here sometimes. No, I'm sure. But a little bit more competitive with Android and iOS. So you can see you have some quick toggles up here that you can tweak. Right now I have rotation lock, airplane mode, Bluetooth, and also that you can see my Wi-Fi that I'm connected to. But if you want to tweak it even more, you can just go into notifications and actions, and you can tweak these actually to have a ton of other quick action modes that you can use, like location, project your screen, quiet hours. Quiet hours is basically a mode where you can, like when you're sleeping or something, that you can be to disable certain things, certain actions and stuff like that. So that's definitely pretty sweet in this update. You can also see that you can now see A, B, C, all the whole like alphabet. So if you need to go to like a place fast, just tap on one of these, and then I want to go down to V, you just tap on it, and then immediately you can go in there to video. So that's pretty cool. I gotta say, it's pretty cool. It's pretty epic. It also features the new Cortana, which is the voice assistant in Windows Phone. So if I want to go to C quick here, I can just go up here, tap on C, go to Cortana. And it's basically this Halo voice assistant in that game, so you can ask her anything, and it's super fast actually. It's pretty impressive. So let's try this out. What is 2 plus 2? How tall is Bill Gates?
5 feet 10 inches tall.
What is Europe? Define cats. Who are you?
How do you catch a cloud and pin it down?
Who made you? Who made you?
If I knew that, I'd have self-awareness, and that might be dangerous.
Hi.
Hey,
Set alarm at 5 p.m.
sure thing. I've set an alarm for...
Cancel. What? So you can see it's not perfect, but it works pretty darn good most of the times. Animations also seems to be quicker here, I would say, snappier when you're going in and out of apps. Okay, there went a little bit slow, but that's just because I loaded up here. But just animations, I mean, when you're opening things up here, it just seems to be pretty damn solid. And the performance also in the browser is very nice for the price of this device actually. Okay, so cool. It seems like the HTC One Mini 2 is out now on the market, which is pretty interesting stuff. If we move on here, where we do have some other things, you do get a DataSense thing. So you can kind of get sense of how much data where it's going, cellular, or if you're using it on Wi-Fi, you can use I'm on Wi-Fi right now, so that's what I'm doing. 2 gigabytes on Wi-Fi, no cellular, but you can set the limit here. Pretty useful. You also do have a battery saver, so when you go in here, you kind of get an idea of what kind of apps is taking up space. Could be very, very good. You can see Cortana now is taking up some space, and you can show all apps here, recent battery usage, and you can actually tweak this how you want it. If you want it to allow it to be run in the background, you have a store update as well. So the $1 phone store is being upgraded to this new kind of UI here in Windows Phone 8.1, which is pretty fresh, I gotta say. It's pretty fresh. Takes some time here to load though sometimes. There we go. So you can see top free games, top free apps, featured apps, different categories. For me, the store. Let's go to top free apps. A lot of Nokia apps. So if you would go into one of these here, you can kind of see the download page, how it looks and everything, and that's also pretty sweet. Some other things is you have like a podcast app, and maybe it's already been existed, but it's pretty sweet. So when you go down to podcasts here, you can first of all you can just play a podcast here. I searched for tech, and then I found this tech podcast from Tech, and it's free, of course, so you can immediately just, start to play it here, and it will start to play it. And basically what you can do here is you can see other shows that they've done. You can as well like download these episodes. So if you tap here, let's say you want to have these to be played, or perhaps you want to download them, I think that should be able to do, and that's pretty sweet as well. And then we do have actually, you can have a background photo here on the tiles. You can also see I have more tiles. You can just enable that in settings, and there are a bunch of other things, but you can see kind of like I have a background wallpaper. Some tiles it doesn't go over because some tiles just have some things there already. But if you go into the settings place here, and then you go to start and theme, you can see I have a background, and I also have show more tiles. So now you can show even more tiles, and you can see here how cool it looks when I have like a photo in the background. So you have a bunch of different photos here you can pick between. Let's just go with perhaps this one. And I gotta say, that's pretty impressive. I mean, that looks pretty insane how cool that is. And I think that they made some updates to multitasking here. It just feels like it's easier to remove stuff, like you swipe to remove here, or you just tap up there in the corner to close down, and it responds very, very quick, which is super, super awesome. Some other things here is when you are writing, let's say if I'm gonna write here a message, you can basically swipe to write something. So let's say, hi, what is up with you. You can probably become pretty talented and good at that. So definitely an awesome feature. It seems to be only work with the English keyboard though right now, at least what I've been trying out. You have of course a driving mode, which is also pretty sweet. So when you go here in tool, driving mode here, you can set up. So if you get texts and calls and stuff like that, you can have that fixed for you. So if you have like a Bluetooth, also like a Bluetooth headset, that could also be quite nice. And then as I said there, this quiet hours here, if you want it to be quiet sometimes, and that's pretty awesome. Also, if you have like an Internet Explorer, if you use Windows Phone 8 on your computer or something, then you can have it so you can see what kind of tabs you're running on your computer, and then probably quickly open them up here on your Windows Phone. But yeah, quickly look here at Windows Phone 8.1 on the Nokia Lumia 520. Definitely one impressive update. And then of course you will get like notifications here and all that good stuff. You can open up also all settings here pretty quick. So what do you think about this update? I think it's pretty sweet, and it's just great stuff. I mean, great stuff. And also now when you tap on this key here, it opens up I'm not sure, is this Cortana? I guess it is. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. You can also tweak Cortana to of your interest. If you are interested in tech, you can have like tech news and articles up there, I think. So yeah, pretty sweet. Have a great day. And if you did like this video, please leave a like, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.